Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video captures one of the most unforgettable experiences we had during our time in San Ignacio this year. We were graciously invited for a day out on the Macaw River aboard a pontoon boat by our friends at Winesmith Limited and JSL Wines. JSL Wines and Winesmith had organized a photo shoot for their new canned sparkling wine Etrevue Peach Mango in collaboration with Stigler Artists. Our day kicked off early with a meetup at Winesmith Wine Bar where we would gather and then head towards Benque to drive through the jungle. But before our adventure began, we made a quick detour to indulge in some roadside tacos that were simply delicious. The journey continued with an exciting truck ride through the jungle, eventually leading us down some really steep hills to reach the Macaw River. This was a pretty long drive, but the scenery was absolutely stunning. Once we arrived, we boarded the boat and set sail. We were treated to breathtaking waterfalls surrounded by mountains and lush green trees. We went for refreshing swims, ate delicious barbecue, and enjoyed many conversations with plenty of laughter, all while enjoying the delicious wine, particularly my new favorite, Peach Mango. A huge thank you to the amazing teams at Winesmith and JSL Wines for this unforgettable invitation. If you're ever in Belize, we highly recommend you take a visit to Winesmith Limited in San Ignacio for some amazing wines. If not in San Ignacio, check out their website. They have a list of retailers where you can buy their wines all throughout Belize. I've left a link in the description below. Be sure to check out the video for some highlights from our adventure with the Smith family. I hope you enjoy the video. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel, click on the bell to be notified of new content, and cheers to new adventures.